Preparing for the digital transformation of the hospitality. This can range from leveraging AI for customer service and personalized offerings. Consider these points. Analyze your customer digital behavior. Invest in robust technology. Adapt strategically. By taking these steps, you can considerably prepare for digital transformation of the hospitality industry, setting up yourself for success now and in the future. I would definitely go with simple process to improve your products. By the way, you can find a framework. It's going to be my gift to you. You can find a framework how to improve any product right below this video. I'm sure you are thinking probably, why would I do this? Well, if you are going to understand much better your user groups, their pain points, the solutions you are going to offer, and it's very important to prioritize the most important pain points and to deliver solutions. Then you might think, how are you going to measure the success? This is very important. So right below this video, you will find a unique framework how to improve any product.